So I'm hoping that the video sound is all good. Right, so I've done the front and the back covers, and I have got, what was it on this? So there's 24 sheets, 12 double-sided sheets, and I have got, I've used 1, 2, 3, 4, then it will be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, I think it's 16 or so. So I'm going to go through the paper pack now and start looking for what I want. Basically looking at images. So that's really pretty. I kind of like that for the back because remember we want to be able to see it. So let's pull that out, and I'm just going to go through and start placing papers where I think they're going to go. I really love this one. We've used a similar one in the front, so I'm thinking that that would be quite nice to open up the album and maybe even have a double page spread. So you'll often see that I have double pages where I use like either matching pages, or so it would be something like that, give you a double page spread opening up. Okay, then I have got these two, so let's carry on through here. I do love these sort of vintagey ones. I've also got one of those. Then I've got these two. I don't know if I love this one, but the idea for this would be quite nice to have a single page, 2 single pages. So I'm going to pull these off. Oh, look at the back. The back is the butterflies. So let's pull those out. And let's pop those in here to use on the second and third page. Now here we're going to have sort of a double page layout. I might come back and change my mind. I might just change my mind and move this double to here. Look how pretty that would look. Okay, so that's the whole idea of this process, is looking for pages, looking for things and where they need to go. So I've got another one of those doubles, so I need to find something that's going to work. We've got this one, which is very pretty, but we've also got this one that I've used on the front that we could use with something else. And we've also got this. I do like that as well. Let's take this one. And I'm not sure which way I'm going to use it. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it that way with that folding over, so you would get that effect and that effect, which is pretty, or whether I'm going to use it that way and have that fold over. But we're going to put that in a double page. Right, I'm going to go back to the front of the album again because I've now whipped those pages away, and what I'm thinking is to go back to this pretty one that I've used on the front, to use it here. Let's just move that out the way. I'm thinking of using that maybe here, and maybe having one of the planes, either that one with, because remember we have the little 12 by 12 pack as well. So what if we came in with that, with a pocket, and look how that matches, that works. I think that would be quite pretty. The back of this is the green. Okay, so first page and front cover done. Now we're going on to this one, which is, I had this in here, and I kind of like the idea of using the butterflies on one and maybe this on another, but possibly that way. Okay, so we've done that. Then I need another 2 pages here. So let's have a look. I do love the butterflies. I do love that as well. And I also love that, which I've already taken one of those for the back. So let's put this one here, and maybe have one with the butterflies and one with the back. We've got that one there, and then we've got this and these 3. So let's have a peek. I do like it. I'm either thinking of doing that over there so it makes like a double, like so. Okay, let's leave it at that, or using this one. So we need one for here. So we've still got quite a few pieces of the large pieces of paper left, which we're going to use. I love the dots. I love this one as well. Maybe this one should go in here for now, and we'll keep this one. We've still got the dot, one dot. We've still got the stripe, which will go amazingly with that one. Well, it goes with all of them. We've still got some butterflies, and we've still got that. Right, so we've got a fair bit. So let's start adding them to the album. I'm going to pop that to the side for now. I'm going to end this video and start a new one with the page decorations.